Hey guys, what's up? It's Boy2 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this image right here transparent. Because if you want a watermark, then you probably don't want this PNG tree around. So I'm just going to save this image as a YouTube tutorial. And then what I'm going to do is going to open it so we can see that this thing is bad, right? Or we could just be like this and cut it, but that would be like slow. So we're just going to press this markup icon thing, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and press this instant alpha thing. We're pressing it and then just click it. Okay, so press edit and press cut or command X. Then if it says convert this document to PNG, press convert and then just X out on all of this. Edit, cut. I should have picked something easier, honestly, though. But that's it for today's video, guys. I know this is very short, but short and sweet, right? So, if you guys enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Well, without any further statement, you can do whatever you want.